This is Orla Creates, and we are going to be showing you how to add your pictures to your media very quickly. So you go to your media and you're going to click on add media file. Once you do that, you're going to be directed to the page where you can add your media file, as you can see here. So we are going to quickly remove this ad so we can see what we are doing. So you come here and you select your files. You go to your file, you pick the picture you want and you drop it here. It's loading, and here is our picture. Voila. So you can easily edit your picture from here. I'm going to edit and show you guys how to do that. So here is me editing the media I just dropped here. You can easily come here and edit it whichever way you want, or you can delete it here like as shown in the video. Click OK, and that's going to permanently delete the picture you just uploaded. Like, share and follow for more videos.